Saw dude, it's Jake with Cody. We're going to be showing you today how to change out the lifter bearing on your Seamer. We're actually going to split this into two videos. The first video we're going to show, hit a rock, we're going to show you how to get the lifter out of there. And in the second video, we're going to show you how to actually swap the bearing. I have a 1/2-inch wrench and a 3/16 Allen. I'm going to go ahead and start loosening there. Hand loosen it the rest of the way. You'll notice right behind the nut on this side, I have what we refer to as a laser washer. So this laser washer here, that holds pressure on the inner race of the bearing. That way our bearing can turn freely and have the bolt tightened down tightly all the way through. Laser washer on this side. As I begin to pull this bolt out of here and let the first linkage fall, we have a laser washer there. And then I have my lifter with a laser washer behind that. So we have 3 laser washers inside holding all of our linkages together with the bolt. So now that we have our bolt out of the way, all our laser washers set aside, we can go ahead and pop the lifter right up through there. And now we got it removed, we can take it over to a tool bench and we can actually remove the lifter bearing itself.